No. You go ahead and sit down. No, go ahead. You sit down, I'll stand up there. How old is the little man? 18 months. A year and a half? Why you always say stuff like that? 18 months. No, my wife drives me crazy, man. She's like, my baby 36 months. I'm like, 30, man, that's 3. Why you got people doing math? People got calculators out here. People don't do mental math anymore, man. You're crazy. Oh, because the diapers go by months. Okay. It makes sense though. But I still, I'm happy, like, our babies, ain't dealing with diapers no more, but diapers, I was happy that she was breastfeeding, because paying for diapers and breast milk, I'm not breast milk, but what is it called? Formula? Woo, Lord. I ain't paying for that stuff. No. Oh, you breastfeed too? All right, man, go with some diapers. No, it's crazy though, man. It's so many good things about breastfeeding I didn't even know nothing about. I just, I called it a free show for me. I thought it was sexy. No, because you know what? We've been married for a little while, man. She'll get mad at me or whatever, and then I'm like, I ain't gonna be able to look at nothing. But then when I hit a baby cry, I'm like, uh-oh, free show. Wait, little man crying? Oh, shoot, hey, man, I hope he ain't mad at me. Hey, I ain't saying nothing bad to your mama, man. Oh, you hungry? Oh, hey, no, go, do your thing, hey, go ahead, whip it out. Wait, what's disgusting about that, bro? Wait, so ma'am, don't even feel ashamed. Ma'am, continue feeding your baby. You can't even, she got a little cloth over it, bro, you can't even see nothing. So what you mean that's disgusting? Wait, so you rather have a screaming, hungry baby rather than a silent, fed one? On this train right now, is that what you want to have it on this train right now? So wait, to accommodate you, bro, you mean she should just wait, let her baby cry, go to a place that's private, and then feed the baby? That's how you want it to happen? You must be a special bro. No, I don't mean special in a good way, man. You ain't special. Nah, man, you know what? No, man. I don't even know her, man. No, I'm tired of dudes always trying to tell women what to do with their body. I wish women would tell us. No, man, seriously. I wish women would tell us what to do with our bodies. It'll be good. Maybe that'll be better. Shoot, I'm tired of walking to the bathroom. There's piss everywhere. That'd be much easier. Women say, well, they mandate that junk. Man, I'm tired of staring at piss. Now, I ain't getting off subject, man, but I'm saying that she has the right to feed her child. Just like you got the right not to look. All right? So you can blink, can't you? Have you ever played peekaboo? So they don't peek until she's done. No, man, you know what you got a problem with breastfeeding for anyway? No, she ain't rich. She's on the train, evidently she ain't rich. So then tell me why then, huh? Oh, shoot. So tell me why. She's not rich, bro. No, ma'am, I'm just gonna be honest with you. Either she has the worst fashion sense ever, or she's on the way to daycare and then to work. Am I right, ma'am? McDonald's is not a logo, bro, for like a regular shirt. Alright? She works a regular job. So you can't play, because she's rich, she's able to do that. Not only stay-at-home moms are the only people that are able to breastfeed. Regular women breastfeed. You know why they breastfeed? There are multiple reasons. Number one, they save money. Number two, it's healthy for the child. Maybe you should applaud her for saying that she wants her child to grow up different, healthy. You know how many immunities that child's gonna have? That helps with for the mother, breast cancer, diabetes, all types of things are prevented because of breastfeeding. Breast milk, you know how powerful breast milk is? It's like steroids for a baby. And you over here talking all this crap about this woman, man, you should apologize, man. Because look, let me tell you something about me, man. My wife, she was going to have a preemie. You know what the nurses said? You should breastfeed. When the baby comes out, you should breastfeed. Because the breastfeeding help with brain development, help the baby develop just as fast as the other ones. That's what the nurse said to me. Now, I was lucky, God bless us, the baby didn't become preemie. But that was my story, man. That's what got me looking up this stuff, man. So I know I ain't crazy, man. I know I ain't crazy. You should... Or the doctors told you the same thing? So do you know if you're going to have a preemie or not? Dang, man. Listen, man, that breast milk, man, tell your wife the same thing, bro. It'll help her, man. If she does have a preemie, man, that breast milk, hey, I'm telling you, man, make your baby superhuman. I'm making light of it, man, but it's real. So, you gonna apologize to him? You can accept his apology. All right, now, man, so hey, make sure when you know what I'm saying? Hey, think about the free show, Brett, baby. Think about that too, now. Look at you smiling. You had that frown on your face, man. Now you smiling now, huh? Crazy, man. Oh, shoot, hey. Oh, man. No, you can go. This ain't no stuff. All right. But anyways, man, listen, let me tell you another thing about breastfeeding. Listen, if your wife ain't had no, she got a little